So student, in our third lesson, the PowerPoint, we are going to study the presentation more. PowerPoint in a detail. Abhi in a previous video we have already made the one presentation that is with the name of the tiger, right? So today we are going to learn how to open an existing yani ki saved presentation. So simply go to the title bar. On the title bar we will get the button, office button. It's called an office button. Just click on it. When we go over there, we will got the second option, that is the open. Click on it. When we click on it, we will get the small dialog box related to the documents. Since we are going to open the document today, documents library का जो है विंडो हमको शो करेगा. आपको याद होगा, in our last video we had made one presentation with the name The Tiger. See, I've got the presentation name The Tiger. Click on it. After clicking on it, click on the open button. Yes, so here we got our presentation, our previous presentation. So today we are going to make editing in this presentation. तो हमारी टाइटल स्लाइड जो है वो तैयार है ऑलरेडी, राइट? अब हमें हमारी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड लेनी है, that is the title and content slide. So for taking a new slide, on the home tab, go to the new slide, click on it. Here we will get the second option, that is the title and content. Click on it for our next slide. As you can see, the slides and outline pane are showing me the two slides right now, because I've taken the two slide. There is two slide in my presentation right now. So we have to give the title introduction. ठीक है, an introduction. After writing that introduction, since we are doing the presentation related to the tiger, so we are going to write some sentence about the tiger. Like I have written, the tiger is a symbolic, the tiger is a symbol of power and speed, right? So ऐसे हमको टाइगर से 2 से 3 या फिर 4 तक sentences लिखने हैं. Okay, after writing this, suppose I have written yes, जैसे कि मैंने टाइगर के बारे में फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी कर ली हूँ, आपको डिटेल्स लिखनी है, ठीक है. सो सम इंट्रोडक्शन, हमने टाइगर से रिलेटेड कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन वहाँ पर राइट कर दी. आफ्टर राइटिंग दैट, now I'll show you how outline looks like when we click on the outline. See, outline shows the content into the slide and slide shows the slides with content. Now how to save this application? We had already saved this file, right? So when we go to the start button, click on the save. There is no dialog box. प्रीवियस वीडियो में क्या हो गया था, एक डायलॉग बॉक्स आया था व्हेन वी क्लिक द सेव बटन. ओके, तो वो डायलॉग बॉक्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी आर सेविंग आवर फाइल, एनी काइंड ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इट शोज द डायलॉग बॉक्स बिकॉज इट नीड्स द डिटेल्स ऑफ द रिलेटेड टू द फाइल, right? When we save the same file for the second time, it will never ask you to too many details of related to the file because it already got the details related to the documents. Now for the third slide. For the third slide, it's a simple, go to the new slide again. Then here in the book there is shown that we need 2 content slides because we need one image of tiger and we need to write about him more. So here on the new slide we got the two content slides. There is a lots of slides, but we need two content slides. So click on it. After clicking on it, you will got your third slide. Okay. Now after taking this, add the title. For adding in title, write down there project tiger. ठीक है. After writing this project tiger, because we are going to take the image of him and more details about the tiger. So for tiger simply आपको अगर कोई इमेज चाहिए, सपोज लेफ्ट साइड में हमको उससे रिलेटेड कुछ लिखना है. सो आई हैव रिटन द मैनी टाइगर्स reserved were created in different parts of the country. ठीक है. आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस, सपोज उससे रिलेटेड मैंने कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ पर राइट कर दी. नाउ आई नीड वन इमेज. तो अगर सपोज हमको एक पेंटेड इमेज चाहिए एज शोन इन योर बुक, जैसे आपकी बुक में दिखाया गया है. सिंपल, देयर इज शोज 6 आइकन्स इनटू द टेक्स्ट एरिया. टेक्स्ट एरिया में जो है 6 आइकन्स शो करता है. ठीक है. उसमें से हमको लेना है क्लिप आर्ट फॉर द पेंटिंग इमेज. पेंट की हुई इमेज के लिए हमको सिंपल सा लेना है क्लिप आर्ट. क्लिक ऑन इट. व्हेन वी क्लिक ऑन इट, वी विल गेट द on the right side we will get the small dialog box. You will get the search box. Write down the tiger over there. After writing the tiger, click on the go button. Yes. So here we got a lots of tigers image here. So just choose any one of them. Just click on them. Here we got the image of tiger. ठीक है. So today we have made 3 slides in our presentation. So we are going to save it. Go to the office button, click on save. ठीक है. So in our next video we are going to move further. हम इसके अंदर और presentation को और attractive बनाने के लिए we are going to use some more tools into the PowerPoint. Thank you, students.